Hey tribe, Dawna here from Transformational Healing, and today I wanted to talk to you about the herbs and essential oils that are commonly used during Beltane or May Day celebrations. So Beltane is one of the Sabbats on the Wheel of the Year, and it's the halfway mark between Ostara, the spring equinox, and Litha, the summer solstice. And so it is the midpoint of spring on our calendar in the Wheel of the Year. And it's all about celebrating spring and welcoming in fertility and growth and community spirit, happiness and joyous times. A lot of times there's maypoles going on, or in some of the other places there's a Queen of the May, or flowers and wreaths. And if you watch another video on this channel about May Day manifestations, you will see the flower wreath that I put on my head for that video, just for fun, to bring in that energy of manifestation and abundance into the time right now, and to bring in that energy. So a lot of times the herbs will be any of the spring flowers that are coming up. So if there's tulips and daffodils and all sorts of things like that coming up, those are perfect for your Beltane or May Day celebrations. You also will use things like butcher's broom and colt's foot, chamomile, damiana, nettles. Early spring nettles are often used right now, but things like roses and jasmine, because of that floral aspect, are used. Lobelia is actually another one that might be used during this time of year. And then you have, of course, the dandelions, which should be popping up all over the place. Lavender for those florals is often added in, along with the red clovers and rosemary, things along that line. For resins, you might tend to head towards dragon's blood resin or perhaps frankincense. And other people will use wormwood during this year. Wormwood can be used to create a non-alcoholic mead. So that might be something that I will be sharing over in the Transformational Healing Facebook group sometime soon, or sending out in an email is a recipe for that. So make sure that you join the Facebook group and join the tribe if you want to get in on all those DIY fun things. When it comes to essential oils for Beltane, we want to look at all of those floral things that we were talking about: rose and jasmine and lavender and frankincense and all of those types of things. And chamomile, to give you a little bit of that little bit more earthy scent, to give you an undertone in what you're doing. You might want to go with ylang ylang along with that jasmine. And you can use rose attar, which is very expensive, or you could also go with rosewood. So those types of things are the things that I use in my Beltane incense and in my Beltane anointing oils, which you can grab in the shop. But think about creating your own offering herbs. Think about creating your own anointing oils as well. The essential oils and the base herbs, if you want to do your own stuff, collect things and dry them, or you need one or two ingredients to add to your mix so that you can create it yourself, that's a bonus. I have all of those supplies in the shop, but you can also get those things ready to go. I have them in the local shop here in Albany, New York at Star and Splendor, and you can also get them online. I hope that you are going to enjoy whatever it is that you do for your Beltane celebration. You should definitely check out the other videos on this channel that I've done every year for Beltane and getting in those celebrations. And if you're not quite sure how to burn that loose incense, I also have a video on that in the channel. I'll make sure that I link that and all of the discounts for joining the email tribe and everything down below. So if you enjoyed this video, I have them for almost every Sabbath now, and we'll make sure that they are posted and up to date for all the different Wheel of the Year celebrations and also the full and new moon celebrations. I'm here to help you get back into balance and walk down that path so that you feel that you can create your own path that works for you to get to a place where you feel whole and centered and grounded. So, many blessings, tribe, and I'll see you real soon. Have a wonderful Beltane celebration.